Ever looked at your home and felt something was missing? Let's add a pop of color affordably using seasonal plants.
Hey everyone, wanting to boost your home's appeal without breaking the bank? Today we're adding a burst of color with seasonal plants.
Let's head to the nursery to pick out some showstoppers.
Remember to consider your local climate and sunlight when choosing.
Bold marigolds for warm tones, lush ferns for shade, cascading petunias for hanging baskets. The possibilities are endless. Time to get planting. Prep your beds by removing weeds and adding fresh soil.
Mix and match colors and textures for a dynamic look. Don't forget hanging baskets and window boxes for extra oomph.
See the difference? A few pops of color can make a huge impact.
Keep your home looking vibrant with these simple maintenance tips.
Pro tip, water regularly and deadhead spent blooms to keep your plants looking their best. Share your creations.
Hashtag Curb Appeal Boost, and there you have it. Day 11 went to seed.
Make sure to like and share. Brought to you by Chris Connor. Henthorn Real Estate. 321-229-7698.